Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to do mail merging. So mail merging is just creating multiple documents of the original document. For example, you want to send a job application to different companies with the same letter. So instead of you typing each application letter at the same time, you can always use mail merging to have multiple documents of the application letter, then customize them according to the addresses that you want to send. You can as well use mail merging to create envelopes, multiple envelopes of different individuals. So to do that, you'll need a contact list created in Microsoft Excel. Then we'll also need your document that is already created, or you can type at that particular time. So in this video, I already have the contact list created for different parents, and I also have the letter to the parents which I want them to attend the academic day. So what I'll do is to create a multiple documents of this particular letter, then have them sent to different parents. So mail merging has 6 steps which I want to take you through. So you go to the mailings tab, then go to start Mailmerge group, then select start Mailmerge. Then you have several options over here. We have letters, we have email, envelope, etc. So I'll choose the step-by-step Mailmerge wizard. So once it opens the wizard on the right of your document, first step, you are required to select a document type. So in this case, I'm going to use letters because it is the letter that I want to send. But you have other options, like if you want to create an email message, if you want to create an envelope, a label, or directory. So I'm going to choose the first option, letters. Then down here we have step 1 of 6. I click on next to start creating the document. Then the second step, you are required to select a starting document. So we have 3 options. You can use the current document, you can start from a template if you have one, or you can start from an existing document. So I'm going to use the current document because I have already typed it and it's open. Then a template if you have any predefined document that you want to modify, or an existing document if you haven't opened it yet. So mine is already open. Then I click on next to select the recipients. So in this step number 3, you are required to select now the contact list. So we have select recipients from an existing list. We have select from the Outlook contacts if you have them created, or you can as well type a new list from scratch. So to save on time, I had already created my own list in Excel. So I'm going to use an existing list, then click on browse. So here is supposed to take me to where the contact list is. Mine is over here. Then click on OK. So I had already created this list, which I'm just picking from the saved, among the saved documents. So we have several parents here that I want to send this letter to. Then I click on OK. So once I select the list, I go to the next now to write my letter. So to write the letter is now adding the fields for those details of each particular parent. So I'm going to customize it, and the addresses always appear here. So I'll place the cursor, then click on more items, then I add all my fields. So you can select and insert, or just double click to add. Full name, then you have address, then you have the street name, then close once you add all the fields. So I just want to rearrange them a bit so that they're more organized. Like that. So once I add all the fields the way I want and arrange them the way I want them to appear, I can go to step number 4, which is preview the letters. So previewing now displaying the individual details of those parents, so the addresses that I have. So I click on preview, and as you can see, the fields have now been added. Like Mr. John Smith is one of the parents from Nairobi 4th Street. So I can preview all of them using these particular arrows: recipient 2, recipient 3, recipient 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I can still use this part here to do the same thing. So whichever way, you can use any of those to preview. Then I go to the step number 6, which I want to complete my mail merging. So this last step is the one that is going to create multiple copies of this particular letter. Currently it's only one, but because I want to send to different people, then I can complete to create multiple letters. Then I come here and you can use the print option if you want to send to the printer directly, or you can edit first the individual letters, then choose all, then click on OK. So as you can see, it has created a new document called letters 1 by default. Then it has generated multiple copies of the same. So as you can see, you can scroll through the document to see each individual address that is created. So this will save you time. You don't have to retype the letter multiple times. All you need to do is use the Mailmerge to be able to generate all these. Hope you learned something new. See you in my next video.